follow from. Right, I'm speaking quietly because it's late at night, but this is the entrance to the cemetery that I was talking about. It's pretty spooky. I'm actually quite anxious right at the moment. What I will do later is I'll translate the English into the Spanish. I'll sort that when I get back. Right, I've got to go inside here now, and I've got to turn left. But as you can see, loads of different graves everywhere. There's my torch. You can't really see anything at the moment now. Let me see if we can change that. Where's my little light? This doesn't work either. Do you remember the film from 1999? I think it was called the Blair Witch Project. So like, if I don't make it back, hopefully somebody recognises your name and sends you this video. Because, you know, goddamn. Oh my god. To be honest, sometimes, you know, I've got to question my sanity. Show you the English graffiti, you know. Huh. This is the first time I've seen this. This is really, really new. These are the days of miracle and wonder. Don't cry, baby. Don't cry. The way we look to a distant constellation that's dying in the corner of the sky. Very poetic, don't you think? Well, anyway, I think that's the end of my excursion. I need to get home.